Wangashi YouTube channel and TikTok, where we say you are a conqueror no matter what. And if you have not subscribed, please remember to do so. Are you at your lowest and you feel like giving up or quitting whatever you are doing? I was watching marathon runners on TV the other day, and I noted one thing, that the more they kept on running, the more they looked tired and exhausted. I actually made a comment and said, I don't think all of them will be finishing that race. But I was amazed that at the end of the race, none of them opted to quit in the race. They kept on going despite all the challenges they faced. Then it dawned on me that all of them, they had one thing in common, that is a very strong positive mindset. A positive mindset towards their goal of finishing the race. They knew that every step they made brought them or was getting them closer towards their goal. Let me encourage you today. Have a positive mindset in whatever vision you have, just like those marathon runners. Don't quit. Don't give up, because every step you take, however small, it is getting you closer towards your goal. You might come across challenges along the way, but with a positive mindset, you will have more energy to utilize towards getting solutions. Don't allow external factors to drain your energy away. The marathon runners didn't allow tiredness or exhaustion to drain their energy. Neither did they listen to the negativity that could have been thrown towards them, just like the comment I made, to affect them. They actually focused on finishing their race. And when they were on their last lap, they had all the energy reserved and they were able to sprint towards their goal. So do not give up. Keep on moving and keep that positive mindset, and soon you will see your goal and sprint towards it. Be positive, make a difference, and conquer.